Stock market advice you should not ignore. Whether you are going to try your hand at the stock market for the first time, or you are looking for ways to make yourself a better trader, you have come to the right place. The video below contains tips and tricks that can help you become a successful trader. Investing is best done with an eye to the long term. There are very few people who will succeed at moving money in and out of investment vehicles, if they try to catch day-to-day trends. Most people just end up losing their money and getting frustrated. Look for solid companies or funds with a long history of good returns and stay the course. Remember that stock prices are reflections of earnings. In the short-term immediate future, market behavior will fluctuate depending on news and rumor and the emotional responses to those, ranging from enthusiasm to panic. In the longer-term picture, however, company earnings over time wind up determining whether a stock price rises or falls. If you want part of your portfolio to stay ahead of inflation, general stocks are your prime opportunity. Over the last 6 decades, annual stock returns have averaged 10%. That has been well ahead of bond yields and real estate earnings. A balanced stock portfolio across the market is historically the best proposition for growing wealth, whereas handpicking stocks or sectors might not generate this result. Every stockholder would be wise to understand the importance of patience and persistence. You are likely not going to get rich quick overnight, and you are sure to make some mistakes along the way. However, the most important thing you can do to ensure success is stay with it without getting discouraged. Since you have viewed this video, you now know that when used, certain methods are profitable. Take the information that you have just read and see yourself blossom into the profitable stock market investor you hoped you would become. Make sure you keep learning in order to have continued success for years to come. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.